The Radar Horizon Interactive Calculator determines the maximum detection range between a radar and target based on their heights above the Earth's surface. Let's explore the input options. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate radar range from heights. Calculate radar height from range and target. Calculate target height from range and radar. Calculate range with custom refractivity. Calculate effective Earth radius factor, or compare geometric versus radar range. For this demonstration, we'll use calculate radar range from heights. Enter your radar antenna height in meters. We'll use 100 meters. Next, input the target height. Let's use 10,000 meters for an aircraft. The Earth radius factor defaults to 1.33, which accounts for standard atmospheric refraction. Advanced users can modify atmospheric refractivity and refractivity gradient for specific conditions. After clicking Calculate, the results appear instantly. The calculator provides the total radar range, showing how far your radar can detect the target. It also breaks this down into 2 components, the radar horizon distance and the target horizon distance. The effective Earth radius and adjusted K-factor values help you understand how atmospheric conditions affect your calculations. The status indicator confirms whether detection is possible given your parameters. Find the link in the description below.